Once there was a pollinator named Little Bee. Little Bee lived in the forest. Little Bee was buzzing by when he spotted Big Bear. Big Bear was taking a nap. Little Bee buzzed closer to Big Bear. Suddenly, Big Bear woke up. He cried, "Little Bee, you know I could kill you with my giant claws. I will let you live because you make honey, which I love to eat." Little Bee thought. He said, "Big Bear, you are much larger than me, but one day you might need my help." Big Bear laughed and said, "You are tiny. How could a silly little insect ever help a powerful creature like me?" Little Bee thought again. He did not say anything. He just buzzed by and flew away. Later, Little Bee heard a noise. It was a hunter. He had a bow and arrow and he was ready to shoot Big Bear. Immediately, Little Bee flew to the hunter and buzzed in his ear. The hunter was scared. He cried, "Leave me alone!" and ran away. Big Bear cried, "Little Bee, you saved my life. Thank you." Little Bee said, "I promised you I would help you. I am little, but I can do great things too." Central message. Although they may seem unimportant, small deeds can make the world a better place.